we'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox issues that might be causing you trouble. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox account on your desktop by navigating to the Dropbox website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, check to see if there's a notification or alert at the top of the page, as this might give you a clue as to what's wrong. If there are no alerts, you need to go to the settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the Settings tab, look for the Account section and ensure that your storage isn't full. If it is, you can free up space by deleting unnecessary files or upgrading your plan. Next, go to the Security tab and verify that there are no suspicious activities in your recent activity log or unauthorized devices connected to your account. If everything seems fine but you're still experiencing issues, it might be a syncing problem. To resolve this, go back to your desktop and ensure your Dropbox app is running. Click on the Dropbox icon in the System tray or menu bar and select Preferences. Under the Account tab, click Unlink this computer and then relink it by signing back into your account. This can refresh the connection and resolve syncing issues. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can hinder Dropbox's performance. If the problem persists, try restarting your computer, as this can sometimes clear up any lingering technical issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, visit the Dropbox Help Center for further assistance, as they may have specific troubleshooting steps for your situation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.